miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back for nothing. Take you there.
Okay, so I did just look at the pictures and I did get some cute pictures, but I really want to keep going. However, the lighting just is not that good. It's good on this camera, but it's not that good on my phone, and that didn't go as planned. I obviously got to get some more lights, and I'm also go ahead and edit the pictures, but if I don't like them, then I'm gonna redo this. I'm probably not gonna vlog it, but I'm gonna redo it. But makeup super pretty. Go Jada. That didn't go as planned, bro. I thought I was gonna be in here for a little minute, but hey, I got some decent pictures. I'm finna edit them, see how they go. If it don't go good, then this is scrapped. And I have to get some more lights because these, for one, they're old and they're just not good, but yeah. Hey y'all, so I wanted to give y'all a better video of me editing my pictures. So I use Photo Retouch. I already posted the pictures, I already edited them and all of that, but I wanted to show y'all how I do it. So I go through here, go through my pictures, and we're gonna pick one that I did not post obviously, but one that I do like. And then we're gonna edit it. I'm gonna just do one of these. One of the ones that didn't make the cut. Well, I want to do one that's like not too hard to edit. I'm gonna just do this one. So this is the picture. So the first thing we're gonna click on is at the bottom, quick repair. Oh, I'm so sorry. That actually what we're gonna do is click on crop. So we're gonna crop out the parts that we don't want. Boom. Done. Then we're going to go to quick repair and we're going to clean this up. So use your finger. My bad. Use your finger to go through these. And then if it's to your liking, you can leave it. If not, you can just go through the different effects. Looks good. Same thing for this. Of course, don't touch yourself because it's gonna be messed up. Good enough. Wrinkles up here. I actually spent more time doing this part than anything else, and I was actually so shocked. But I was shocked at the results more than anything because it came out so seamless. I was like, ain't no way. I was not expecting it to come out so seamless, and I'm so happy that I didn't just do it. Because let me tell you, the first time I did it, it was so wrinkled. And then I went back the second time, was like, how can I fix this? Girl, second time it came out 10 times better than about the third or fourth time. I was like, oh yeah, this is tea. And the pictures came out extremely seamless. It gave, I didn't do this in my living room. It gave professional. Okay? And then I'm also going to detail about how to do the certain wrinkles, or how to go around them. That way you can keep wrinkles in here, but just like polish them up if you are using this. So as you can see, it's like a few wrinkles at the top, but I don't want to completely, oh, my DoorDash is on the way. But I don't want to completely take these wrinkles out or even mess up the form of the wrinkles. So I just go around it like that. Hopefully you can see. I'm hoping the camera's picking it up. Didn't like the first result, so I'm going with the second one. I don't like that either. So we're gonna go back and do it again. Alright, that's better. And then these down here, I don't really like these wrinkles, so go in, fix these. And then, so far so good. Fix this. Alright, so enough with that. Next, we're gonna fix my wig. Girl, if you're doing a photo shoot, actually take time with your hair because this was really making me mad. I had teased my hair, and so it just wasn't looking the best in the picture. It was really making me mad, but whatever. Boom, good enough. And then if you don't like flyaways and stuff like that, you can do this. And it might make it flat, but depending on like how it's acting for the day. Boom, perfect. Nothing else needs editing, honestly. Might do a little 1-2 down here, but overall this is good. If you want to perfect it, definitely take your time to perfect it, but I'm not posting this picture. I just wanted to show y'all the gist of everything that I'm doing. So once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go to one portrait beauty. This pretty much puts all of the effects into one as far as like definition, sharpness, tint, contrast, all that good jazz. And for these pictures, I put it on like 50. And you have a little button up here that you can click on to see how it affected it. Boom, my picture already edited. Boom, that's all I did for these pictures. Thank God my makeup came out so nice. Then we're gonna click save. Let me tell you what else I did. I needed the picture to fit on Instagram. Let me go to my Instagram so I can show y'all. Okay, so this picture fit. Okay, this picture fit. But let's go to this picture. I probably deleted it. You see how that really fits? And then this one is like up close and personal. But this ain't bad though. When I had my other pictures, I deleted them. When I had my other pictures, they didn't fit. So I had to go in and change it. See, like this one. Before I did it, hold on, let me go get my DoorDash. So I click on PicsArt. This is something new that I was doing. I wasn't doing this before. So this is the picture. And what I'm gonna do is click on, what did I click on? Fit. So click on fit. It's gonna do this. You can actually click on this for Instagram. Click on an image. I click on an image that would make it easier for me to edit. So you can click on this, but if you can see, it's a little dark over here, so it may be harder to blend, but it's like perfect on this side. So you can play with the blur to where it's more. That'll actually be okay, but you can also pick another picture. So hold on. Boom, you see how I picked this picture and it's like almost seamless kinda. So I bring the blur up and down to figure out how I want it or whatever. So you know, this is good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply. And then I'm gonna go ahead and export. Well, you can just hit save right here. And now it's saved. Okay, that's an ad, not me. So then I'm gonna go back to photo retouch. And this is specifically to get it to fit on Instagram to my liking. So as you can see, we have the border added, and this basically enlarges the picture. So we're gonna click on quick repair, what we did before, and we're gonna just try to smooth out these lines basically. So if this is to your liking, hold on. If this is to your liking, I don't know if you can see it. If this is to your liking, you can keep it. But I want it to look better, so. Well, it's actually kind of. For this. I will be honest and say this background make it 10 times better. See how it looks basically seamless? And then if you want, you can like go and make it look better. But this is basically how I enlarge my picture. Save. And then I'm gonna go to Instagram and show y'all. So now we on Instagram. So this is the original picture that I edited. See how it fit? So when I added the border and then cleaned up the border, it looked 10 times better. And that's basically how I get my pictures to fit on Instagram how I want them. All of these are edited. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh wait, I didn't like them. But this is like the original pictures. This is also edited. But yeah, that's basically how I edit the pictures and also get them to fit on my Instagram how I want them. And that is basically the end of this video. I'm not going to turn the camera around because it's hair day and I look a mess. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Go ahead and go to my Instagram, One Unearthed, and come and like a few things. I look fantastical. And another thing, I did not edit these pictures. These selfies are so beautiful and seamless. It just gave quality of the camera because all I did was step into the light and took this picture and it was bomb. But yeah, come and like a few things. I'm building a new Instagram basically. I've been building it since 2023 and it is actually very hard. These are the other pictures that I took. I definitely did vlog them. Here's the vlog and the picture right here in the video. But yeah, enough of me talking. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye.